Tinnitus Treatment and Best Supplement. The term tinnitus derives from the Latin word tinere, meaning to ring. Typically, an individual perceives the sound in the absence of outside sounds, and the perception is unrelated to any external source. When you can hear sounds inside your head that are created by your hearing system, not your environment, the condition is known as tinnitus. It could be ringing, humming, pulsing or hissing. It is more prominent in quiet areas or at night. You can't turn it off or move away from it, so it can be spectacularly annoying. Are you facing trouble with tinnitus? Initially, you might think that the constant ringing sound in your ears would go away on its own. However, with time you may realize that sometimes it is here to stick. What can you do when this happens? You have two options: either choose a medication or go for a dietary supplement which is natural. Here comes the Sonus Complete. Sonus Complete is a potent formula that helps in eradicating tinnitus. The dietary supplement has been designed using natural ingredients, the formula of which has been sourced from the Mensa Society. The best part about this product is that it has been manufactured using the safest practices of maintaining health and hygiene. Sonus Complete ingredients. Number 1, blend of vitamins, C, B6, B12. This helpful blend of vitamins is fantastic, not just for your tinnitus but also for your overall health. These vitamins help boost your immune system, which will help protect you from any future infections that could damage your hearing. Number 2, buchu leaves. Buchu leaves are a useful herbal medicine that has been used for years for a variety of reasons. One of the very useful effects of this handy supplement is that it has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can be one of the significant causes of hearing problems, and when left unthreatened, this may lead to tinnitus. Number 3, folic acid. Folic acid is the man-made version of vitamin B9. A deficiency in this vitamin can actually be quite dangerous. Not getting enough of it can lead to early hearing loss, which can then lead to tinnitus. Supplementing your diet with folic acid can help to prevent premature hearing loss. Number 4, garlic. Garlic has been found to be particularly beneficial to having a healthy heart. Although garlic hasn't been shown to have a lot of good effects on your hearing, it does help to contribute to your overall health. Number 5, green tea. Green tea extract has a whole host of benefits to boost your overall bodily health. It's known as a superfood for a reason. After all, green tea extract can help to boost your immune system, the health of your heart, and even your metabolism. Number 6, hawthorn berry. It includes a potential for having some anti-inflammatory properties, which, as we discussed above, is excellent for preventing early hearing loss. Number 7, juniper berry. Juniper berry extract has been shown to be a useful ingredient into supplements due to its antioxidant effects. Antioxidants are great for promoting overall health, but juniper berry is also shown to have some anti-inflammatory properties, which we've talked about in detail already. Number 8, niacin. Niacin is widely recognized as an effective treatment for tinnitus by specialists. Niacin treatment has been shown to have long-term benefits and relief from their tinnitus. Number 9, uva ursi. The final ingredient on this list is another one that has been shown to help fight inflammation. Unlike some other supplements or medications on the market right now, this product is made from completely natural, organic ingredients. If you're someone who's considered surgery in the past, this might be a good option for you. Surgeries can be very expensive and potentially invasive and uncomfortable. Recommended dose of Sonus Complete is 2 capsules per day with plenty of water. It is often suggested to take the supplement after meal. One Sonus Complete bottle includes 60 capsules or, equivalently, 30 servings for 1 month. The customer can purchase the supplement as single bottle, pack of 3 bottles, pack of 6 bottles. For people who are interested and want to purchase this supplement, this can be achieved by visiting the official website link which I've mentioned in this video description.